Hi, today I'm going to be telling you about 5 must-have items you need to get from TEMU. The first one is these smart LED lights. Now, if you like ambience in your room and you want a lot of option, you can get these smart LED lights. You can toggle and adjust the light based off the remote or even your app, and it's only $8 here. The next one I want to show you is this Wi-Fi repeater. So if you have a pretty big house and you only have one modem inside of your house, you could get a Wi-Fi repeater to strengthen the signal in a specific room. So for example, if your bedroom is in the second floor, but the Wi-Fi modem is on the way down in the first floor, you can get this Wi-Fi repeater, plug it in inside of your room, and it'll strengthen your Wi-Fi so you don't have any weak signals anymore. And it's only $9 and it comes in two colors like this. The third one I want to show you is this power strip extender, right? So it plugs right into your socket and you can get all of these cool ports. So you can get a USB and then you can get a lot of also traditional other ports, right? Very useful. And it's only $16 as well. Now, the fourth one I want to show you is this multifunctional smartwatch. It kind of looks like a Apple smartwatch, but this is a more cheaper version here, you can see. And it's only $15 and it comes in a lot of colors. The next one and the final one I want to show you is this SelfieCom Smart Video Doorbell. So you know those Ring doorbell that people usually have? Now this is a version of it but from TEMU, right? It supports only 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, so be aware of that. And you can see if someone rings your doorbell, you can see who's ringing your doorbell because you have a camera that could see on your smartphone as well. And it's only $18. So if you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.